Check Giant 9er 89er, requesting pushback and engine start. Information India on board.
MCP, set. Takeoff speeds, set. CDU pre-flight.
Starting pushback, and you may start engine. Operation complete. Go ahead and set the parking brake. Disconnecting tow. Stand by.
Checked. Flight controls, check. Checked. Ground equipment, clear. Clear. Takeoff, check.
Peak Tower, Giant 9er 89er Heavy, Atlas Air 9er 89er. We're requesting taxi clearance to runway 21 with India.
Giant 9er 89er, runway 21, taxi via Whiskey 1.
Stand by.
Peak Tower, Giant 9er 89er, holding short of runway 21, ready to depart.
Giant 9er 89er Heavy, runway 21, winds 200 at 9er. Cleared for takeoff.
Runway 21 cleared for takeoff. Giant 9er 89er.
On runway 21.
Good evening, requesting IFR clearance to Heathrow, London Heathrow. Maastricht Aachen Airport. Declare 241, request FR clearance to Maastricht Aachen Airport.
Giant 9er 89er, contact departure on 120.205.